Today, you will learn how to save Word document as PDF on laptop. First, open your Microsoft Word document on your laptop. Make sure your file is ready and complete. Now, look at the top left corner and click on File. From the menu, click Save As. Next, choose the location where you want to save your file, for example, desktop or documents. After selecting the location, find the option called Save As Type. Click on it and choose PDF from the list. Now simply click the Save button. That's it. Your Word document is now converted into a PDF file. You can open this PDF with any PDF viewer and share it easily with anyone. If you don't have Microsoft Word on your laptop, open any web browser like Chrome or Edge. Now go to Google and type DOCX to PDF. From the search results, open the first website, which is ilovepdf.com. When the website opens, click the button that says Select Word Files. Now choose your DOCX file from your computer and click Open. Wait a few seconds while your file uploads. After the upload is complete, click Convert to PDF. The website will process your file. Just wait a moment. Once it's finished, click Download PDF. That's it. Your Word file is now converted into a PDF, and you can open it or share it with anyone easily. So yes, you have successfully learned how to save a Word document as a PDF. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy computer and PDF tutorials. Thanks for watching.